In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove background from image in Figma. We'll walk through two straightforward options so you can pick what works best for your project and your plan. First, using the remove.bg plugin from the Figma community, and second, using Figma's newest native AI tools for background removal. Start by opening your design file in Figma. With your canvas ready, go to the Actions menu, open the Plugins section and run the remove.bg plugin from the Figma community. A quick note here, the plugin requires a free remove.bg account to generate an API key. Have that ready before you begin so the plugin can authenticate and process your image. Once the plugin is available, select the image you want to edit. You can right-click the image, go to Plugins, and choose Remove BG. The plugin will process the selection and remove the background automatically. You'll end up with a clean cutout and a transparent background, which is perfect for placing your subject over any color, gradient, or layout. If you notice straight edges, try selecting a higher resolution source image and ensure the subject has clear contrast from the background. Keep your original layer visible or locked nearby so you can quickly compare or revert if needed. Now, let's look at Figma's native AI option. This is the newest built-in approach and it requires a professional plan to use. With your image selected in the Design tab, check the bottom panel where the AI tools appear. Choose Remove Background. Figma will analyze the image and remove the background right inside the editor. Because it's native, this method feels seamless, no juggling separate windows, and your result stays linked to the original selection. If you don't see the AI controls, double-check that you've selected the image layer itself and not a frame or group. As with any automated tool, results are best with clear subjects, good lighting, and distinct edges. After the background is removed, you can refine your composition by adding shadows, placing the subject into components or aligning it with your layout grid. Both methods give you fast, polished results. That's it. Thanks for watching.